On November 11th, I will be hosting a light language workshop. The one that we had in the spring was just a phenomenal experience. All the participants in that particular workshop have been contacting me throughout the year and telling me about how light language has just completely changed in their life, how it's helped their husband, how it's helped them with clarity, how it's helped heal wounds. It's just a phenomenal modality that we can tap into to be able to shift our DNA and to be more spiritually connected to ourselves, to allow sound, frequency, and vibration and guidance from benevolent guides to work with them towards alignment. It's just something that we're all innately are able to do, but we all don't really understand how to tap into it. So this workshop is from 10 to 5. We have a lot of time to go over how to speak light language, how to write the codes, how to draw the codes, and how to use movement organically and flow with this modality. So if light language intrigues you, whether you already speak it or you're intrigued to learn how to speak it, this workshop's for you. It has a great amount of information for anybody at any level to be able to understand more wholeheartedly this gift that we all have. So I hope I see you on 11/11, and namaste.